4F. Where's 4F? Oh, here's 4F. Oh, wow. These are good seats up in the nosebleeds. I'm glad I got the expensive ones for this hot date. Oh, you can see everything. You can see downtown. You can see that other player on the team picking his nose right now. Look at that. Oh, this is fun. Good seats. Come on, Twins, let's go. We're in. That's what I need is another beer. Maybe I should go get one. I gotta walk all the way down there and miss another 4 innings walking up here. It takes forever. It's at least a mile up here. Can't believe this. Oh, but wait. A tab on the back of the seat would be great. If I had a tap right here, I could just pull it, fill it up, and I wouldn't have to walk all the way down there. Oh, there is a tap here. Look at that. Pull on it, fill it up. I have a full beer instead of an empty one. This is a great idea. Should have thought about this sooner. Imagine how many people would save from fighting with all these people up here. Unbelievable. Imagine if I had a guy next to me or a guy next to me that I couldn't get out. Even if I'm in the aisle. Then the guy next to me would have to clumsy around, fall over me. This is, great idea. I'm going to invent this. I'm going to go patent this right now. Take my binocs and get out of here.